There's a lot of experiences in this where we're repeating and speaking out loud the names of fractions. We're seeing them in different ways. We're seeing them in words. We're seeing them in numbers, and we're hearing them. And that's very strong in the early part of this program. So for each lesson, there's a performance assessment. And the performance assessment is when we really begin to remove some of those scaffolds and make a slightly higher demand on the student to be able to respond and show that they understand the fraction in its numeric symbolic form. And so this is the performance assessment.
You will try to solve problems. Each problem shows a fraction part of the missing piece. Correct answers on the first try earn a high score. How much is missing?
So these are carefully constructed problems that will go in a sequence, and here we're having to determine how much is missing.
All right, I'll complete that whole list.
Now you'll notice in this problem, two features have been taken away, the labeling and the segmenting on the fraction strip. So there's a careful constructed sequence of problem difficulty that we're moving through, because this is when students need to start understanding to pay attention to the continuous quantity and not just counting how many pieces are there in this. They have to pay attention to the quantity of them. And I'll get a wrong one. So in this case, the feedback for that answer is very visual. And behind the scenes, the performance data is being recorded to evaluate on this one lesson how well the student is performing, whether they understand it. And the software has a lot of under-the-hood algorithms for saying, we're going to send you back to this lesson, you need to repeat that one, and you proceed very carefully through the 64 lessons in sequence with a lot of behind-the-scenes algorithms to help a student move forward. So I'm going to probably end it after these performance assessment problems here and tell you that we're really looking forward to its release, and I'd be happy to answer any questions about that quick look at one lesson from the 64 of Fraction Nation.